Gareth, I'm from Empire Tuning. We're on the dyno at EST Performance. We have Josh's 110. It's running our VNT. So we've come down to hire the dyno to see what sort of results we're getting, and so far, so good. Stay tuned. Obviously, this isn't our welding. This is the first run of the day, straight off the road onto the dyno, and it's pulling 216 bhp and 455 newton meters. After this, we decided to up the fuel in and play around with it a little bit more, just to see what sort of figures we can get. Right. After messing about a little bit, seeing what it can do, by no means is this the maximum. It's producing 525 newton meters, 230 horsepower. I feel it's a little bit smoky for road use. We've come into a bit of a restriction in airbox, so I think we'll knock it back a little bit. Might lose a little bit of torque, but we should knock out a bit of the smoke just for some road work. So after pulling a little bit of the fueling out, we've dropped the horsepower by about 7.2 horsepower, but we've lost like 50 newton meters of torque, but we've also lost a considerable amount of smoke. This will probably feel quite good on the road with 500 newton meters. How it smokes, we'll have to see. Hi, I'm Gareth from Empire Tuning, and this is Jackass.